Have you ever looked at someone else's life and suddenly your own didn't feel good enough? Maybe it happened after opening social media. Maybe a friend bought a new car. Maybe someone your age became more successful. Nothing in your life changed, yet somehow your happiness disappeared. Why did that happen? If someone else's success can steal your peace, who gave them that power? To answer that question, let me tell you the story of a fox who had everything he needed. He wasn't the strongest animal. He wasn't the fastest. But every single day, he woke up grateful for the life he had. Then one day, he looked at someone else. And from that moment, everything changed. Deep inside a peaceful forest lived a young fox. He wasn't the strongest or the fastest, but he loved his simple life and always ended the day with a smile. One spring morning, a magnificent peacock arrived in the forest. As he spread his colorful feathers, every animal stopped to admire him. The rabbits gathered around, the birds flew closer, and even the deer couldn't look away. The fox quietly watched from beneath an old tree. For the first time, he wasn't looking at the sunrise or listening to the birds. His eyes were fixed on the peacock. That evening, the fox walked home through the same forest, to the same little home, with the same life he had loved just yesterday. Nothing around him had changed. But somehow, he no longer felt enough. Without realizing it, the comparison had already begun. From that day on, something quietly changed inside the fox. He still smiled. He still walked through the same beautiful forest. But his eyes kept searching for the peacock. Every morning, before doing anything else, he looked toward the clearing. Sometimes the peacock was there. Sometimes he wasn't. But the fox looked anyway. Soon, the little things that once filled his heart with joy began to disappear. The butterflies were still dancing through the flowers. The stream still sang its gentle song. The forest was just as beautiful as it had always been. But the fox hardly noticed any of it. Whenever the other animals admired the peacock, a quiet voice inside him whispered, "Maybe I'm not enough." The peacock had never mocked him. The other animals had never rejected him. Those thoughts were growing inside his own mind. Without even realizing it, the fox slowly stopped living his own life. Instead, he spent his days watching someone else's. And with every passing day, he lost a little more of the peace he once had. Days turned into weeks, and the seasons quietly began to change. The leaves faded from green to gold, and a cool breeze swept through the forest. Every animal knew what was coming. The squirrels gathered acorns. The rabbits strengthened their burrows. The birds prepared their nests. Everyone was getting ready for winter. Everyone, except the fox. Each morning, he told himself, "I'll start tomorrow." But tomorrow always became another day spent watching the peacock. The acorns kept falling from the trees. One after another, they covered the forest floor. The fox walked past them without stopping. Winter finally arrived. Snow covered the forest, and the warm colors of autumn disappeared beneath the cold. The fox hurried home and opened his little storage. Only a few acorns were left. He stood there in silence. For the first time, he understood what had really happened. The peacock had never stolen his future. Comparison had stolen his attention. And when your attention leaves your own life, your opportunities quietly leave with it. That night, the fox barely slept. He kept thinking about the empty storage. Not because there were only a few acorns left, but because he finally understood how it had happened. The peacock had never stolen his time. The forest had never taken away his opportunities. Little by little, he had given them away himself. The next morning, nothing felt different. The snow was still cold. The wind was still strong. His storage was still almost empty. For a moment, the fox wanted to blame the peacock again. It felt easier than blaming himself. But this time, he stopped. Instead of looking across the forest, he looked down at the ground beneath his own feet. One acorn. That was all he picked up. It didn't solve his problem. But it was more than he had collected yesterday. The next day, he picked up another. Then another. Some days were harder than others. Sometimes he caught himself looking toward the peacock again. But every time he did, he quietly turned back to his own path. One morning, he noticed the old tortoise. The tortoise wasn't walking faster. He wasn't trying to impress anyone. He simply kept moving. One slow step at a time. The fox smiled. For the first time, he understood that progress didn't have to be fast. It only had to be forward. And without even realizing it, he had already stopped chasing someone else's life. He was finally building his own. Winter slowly faded. The snow melted. Fresh green leaves returned to the trees. The forest looked alive again. But the biggest change wasn't in the forest. It was in the fox. Every morning, he woke up with a purpose. He gathered food. He explored new paths. He noticed the songs of the birds. He watched the sunlight dance through the leaves. These little moments had always been there. He had simply been too distracted to see them. One afternoon, he walked through the same forest clearing where everything had begun. The peacock was there. His feathers were just as beautiful. The other animals still stopped to admire him. Nothing about the peacock had changed. The fox smiled. Not because he was more successful. Not because he had become more beautiful. But because he no longer measured his life against someone else's. As he continued walking, he saw the old tortoise passing by. They exchanged a quiet smile. Neither of them said a word. None was needed. Each of them was simply following their own path. That was when the fox understood the lesson he had been searching for all along. Comparison doesn't always steal your confidence. Sometimes, it quietly steals your attention. And when your attention leaves your own life, your happiness often goes with it. The forest had never changed. The peacock had never been the enemy. The fox had simply forgotten where to look. And the moment he stopped chasing another life, he finally found his own.